Hey guys, Chevy here again. Today I got the Talon up in the garage. I blew all the pine needles and leaves off of it. I'm finally gonna pull the motor out so I can rebuild it. I've been putting it off because I'm pissed off at the car. It's my daily driver for like almost 2 years, like through COVID pretty much. Never had a single problem with it. Thing just ran awesome. It was a really good car. And Caslin's truck blew up on her way down here, and I let her take this back so she could get home, and she got it painted for me and had the windows tinted and made it look real nice. And on the way back, the motor blew up, so it's been sitting out behind the house for, I don't know, over a year now. I haven't even so much as touched it, and it looks terrible. It's all mossy and covered in crap. Headliner fell down, the interior's all dirty, but this is an incredibly nice second gen DSM. It's the least desirable one because it's got the Dodge motor in it, but it is a super clean car. Interior, exterior, everything's really good, and it only has like 120,000 miles on it. So I'll give you a little walk around of this, and then I'm going to start tearing it apart. This thing was all stock. I put the header and exhaust and the intake and stuff on it just because I had a 97 way back in the day, and I always really loved these cars. And I got into this one cheap, so I bought it, and I've had it for 3.5 years or so. What's up, kitty cat? What are you doing? But it's dirty, but you can tell how nice the paint is on this thing. It is gorgeous. The headliner's falling down now, but door panels are perfect. Seats are perfect. Console, dash. The airbag thing hasn't fallen off this one. The back's nice. Still has the package tray. I mean, this is a sweetheart of a car. Oh, 140,000 miles, sorry. Still. Well, it had 130 on it when I drove it. Calvin put 5 on it, so that'll do it. Anyways, so I'm going to start tearing the motor out of this thing, because actually I'll fire it up right now so you can hear it. It sounds pretty rough. Pretty rough. I'm thinking either something dropped on top of a piston or rod bearing. I don't know. But I'll let you guys make your guesses, and then we'll tear it apart. The gas is kind of nasty, so it doesn't run very good. It's been sitting for like a year and a half. There we go. Motor still runs good though. Nice and smooth. But that sounds bad. What do you think it is? Let me know in the comments. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys. Got the header off, got the wiring harness off the engine. It's down there on the ground. I got this one, but I need to jack the car up and get underneath of it. Header, starter, radiator, power steering pump, air conditioning pump. They're both up here out of the way. Wiring off the coil, injector, harness, everything's unplugged. Coolant lines are unhooked. I need to unhook the heater core hoses behind the engine, get the battery box out. So I got like these heater core hoses here I need to take out. Probably unhook them from the motor and tie them up. But shifter. There's a couple other things I got to do on top of the engine here, but I really need to jack the car up to get to the rest of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and we'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back at it the next night. It's Monday night. Kind of humid out here. I'm sweating pretty good. Not hot, but just really moist. So I started tearing the Talon apart again. I got the axles pulled. I separated the upper ball joint so I could move the strut out, and I popped the axle out of the transmission, got it out of the way. You saw everything yesterday that I did. This one's a long boy, so I pulled it out a long ways. And I crawled underneath the car and got the alternator unhooked and the crank sensor and whatever else was on this one wire harness. I gotta unhook the clutch slave cylinder and the motor mount bolts and that cross member bolt down here. I gotta take the bolts out of both ends. Here and back there. Oh, and I need to take this pipe off the exhaust. Well, it's got a flexi. I might be able to. No, I'm just gonna take it off. Anyways, that's all I got left. Motor mounts and the clutch slave. Oh, I need to just drop this thing out of here. Be right back. Alright guys, well I got the bolts out of that rear motor mount back there. Oh, my lighting's terrible, sorry. Quit it. Anyways, there's three bolts back there. I got them out. Now I just need to unbolt that cross member and the bolts out of the top of this motor mount here. There's 3 up here. And then the bolts out of the top of this motor mount right here. I think there's also 3. This thing's ready to drop out. I'll wheel the cherry picker over here and drop it down slow so we don't kill it or the car. Thinking I'm probably gonna have to pick the car up further though. I don't think that's enough room. Probably have to go up another couple feet. That motor's tall as hell. Anyways, we'll be back at it tomorrow. I'm beat. See you guys later. Alright, I got everything unbolted. See if I can get this thing set on the ground without catastrophe. Oh, hanging up already. Oh, it's gotta come forward, okay. Alright, gotta come forward a little bit. It's hanging up on that rear cross member. It almost dropped out of that, so let me get a pry bar in there and pop it out. Oops, battery box. Don't bend that. There we go. Okay, there it is. Alright, hopefully. Man, okay, just a second. Alright, I put that little green strap on the back of the motor because the back of the motor is heavy, not the front. Anyways, now I'm going to try and set it down. Holy smokes! Too fast! I don't know who's in control of this thing, but damn! Trying to kill me? Oh yeah, I didn't ever take that exhaust off. I'll bend out of the way. Kind of over it. Holy shit, did I get everything unhooked? You never get everything unhooked first try. Oh! I spoke too soon, dang it. Where's this go? Oh, okay, to this actuator here. Oh, I popped off the motor. Whatever. Okay, well. Now it's out. It's just swinging in there. I'm going to set it down on the ground. Then we're going to have to pick the car up. I might be able to pick the car up with the picker, though. Cherry picker. Engine hoist, whatever you want to call it. Squishing something. Maybe. Oh, it's that exhaust. I don't want to get in this little bit. Flip it over and make a damn mess. Alright. What's up, dude? No, buddy, I'm pulling the motor out of my car right now.
Why is that like that?
Because I pulled it out so I get the transmission out. Okay, on the ground. Dang, just need to pick the car up now. Okay, let's see if this thing will sit flat. Nice. Nice, okay, well. What's up, buddy? So I could see. Alright, finally got the car up high enough. Got the motor drug out. I'm gonna clean this up while it's out, but I'll get the transmission separated off it here directly. Get it hanging on a stand. Well, got it hung up on the stand. Got the clutch and flywheel off of it. I don't have it on the stand. I got it on the cherry picker. My engine stand has a Vortec 350 on it over here. And, oh, what are you doing?
No.
Anyways, so I'm gonna have to take that motor off, put this one on here. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.